Artificial intelligence is no longer experimental. It is already deployed inside companies, governments, and institutions. According to McKinsey & Company, more than 50% of all work activities worldwide can already be automated using existing technologies. This changes the conversation completely. The question is no longer if AI will replace jobs. The question is which jobs are replaced first. The answer is not random. It follows clear economic and technical logic. Job number 1. Data entry clerks. Data entry clerks perform one of the most structured jobs in the modern economy. Their work consists of typing information from forms, invoices, and reports, copying data from one system to another, validating numbers according to fixed rules, following strict formatting instructions. This job contains almost no ambiguity. Artificial intelligence replaces this work using optical character recognition, natural language processing, and rule-based automation. Once deployed, an AI system can process millions of records per hour without fatigue and with consistent accuracy. According to the World Economic Forum, data entry is among the top 5 most automatable occupations globally. McKinsey estimates that 90 to 95% of data entry tasks are already automatable. This is why data entry jobs are disappearing quietly. Positions are simply not refilled. Job number 2. Administrative assistants and back-office clerks. Administrative assistants support daily organizational operations. Their tasks include scheduling meetings, managing calendars, handling internal emails, processing routine requests, organizing documents. These tasks are essential but highly predictable. AI systems now automatically schedule meetings, draft emails, classify documents, and route internal requests. The work continues. The human role shrinks. According to McKinsey research, around 60% of administrative tasks can be automated using current technology. Organizations adopting automation typically reduce administrative staff by 20 to 30% within a few years. Administrative jobs are not eliminated in one moment. They are reduced step by step. Job number 3, call center and customer service agents. Call center agents handle high volumes of repetitive interactions. Most calls follow scripts and predefined categories. Billing account updates, service requests, complaints. Artificial intelligence thrives in this environment. Modern AI voice systems understand natural language, detect emotional tone, and respond instantly. One AI system can manage thousands of customer conversations at the same time. According to IBM, AI-powered customer service can reduce operating costs by up to 30%. According to Gartner, by 2026, more than 75% of customer interactions worldwide will involve AI. Human agents are increasingly reserved for exceptional cases only. Job number 4. Basic translators. Basic translation work involves structured and repetitive texts. These include emails, standard documents, product descriptions, internal communication. Artificial intelligence translation systems are trained on billions of parallel sentences across multiple languages. They translate instantly and continuously improve. According to studies supported by the European Commission, AI translation accuracy exceeds 90% for standard texts in major languages. Human translators remain necessary only for high-risk, legal, or culturally sensitive material. Basic translation jobs are among the first to decline. Job number 5. Basic content writers. Many writing jobs are not creative. They involve SEO articles, product descriptions, marketing templates, summaries, and reports. These tasks follow formulas. AI systems generate large volumes of structured, keyword-optimized content at extremely low cost. According to Goldman Sachs, generative AI could impact up to 300 million full-time jobs globally. Content creation is among the most exposed sectors. What disappears first are entry-level writing positions, not senior creative roles. Job number 6. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks manage the financial routine of organizations. Their tasks include recording transactions, managing payroll, tracking expenses, reconciling accounts, preparing basic financial reports. This work is critical, but it is highly rules-based. Accounting follows standards. Standards are patterns. Patterns are what AI automates best. Modern accounting software uses machine learning to automatically classify transactions, detect anomalies, and generate reports in real time. According to research by McKinsey & Company, up to 80% of bookkeeping and accounting tasks can already be automated using existing technology. This is why small businesses no longer hire bookkeepers. They subscribe to software platforms. Human accountants are still needed, but mostly for strategic planning, regulatory interpretation, complex audits, routine accounting jobs disappear first. Job number 7. Retail cashiers. Retail cashiers perform one of the most visible jobs in society. Their tasks include scanning products, processing payments, issuing receipts, handling basic customer interactions. For decades, this role existed everywhere. That is changing rapidly. Retail automation now combines computer vision, sensor-based tracking, automated payment systems. Customers can enter a store, pick up items, and leave without interacting with a cashier. According to the National Retail Federation, automated checkout systems can reduce retail labor costs by 40 to 60%. Retailers do not eliminate cashiers immediately. They reduce shifts. They reduce hours. They open new stores with fewer staff. The job disappears gradually. Job number 8. Transport and logistics drivers. Driving has long been considered safe from automation. That assumption was based on one belief. Driving requires human judgment. AI has changed that. Long-haul trucking is highly repetitive, rule-based, conducted in structured environments. Highways do not change often. Traffic patterns are predictable. Routes are fixed. Autonomous driving systems already operate in controlled logistics environments. According to data from the U.S. Department of Transportation, over 70% of long-haul freight miles occur on highways suitable for automation. Drivers are not replaced overnight. They are replaced route by route. Warehouses are automated first, then distribution centers, then highways. Job number 9. Paralegals and legal assistants. Paralegals and legal assistants support lawyers by performing research and document analysis. Their work includes reviewing contracts, searching legal precedents, summarizing cases, identifying risks. This work is intellectually demanding, but it follows patterns. AI legal systems now scan thousands of contracts in minutes. They flag risks faster than junior legal staff. According to research from Harvard Law School, AI systems can perform contract review tasks 30 to 50% faster than junior lawyers, with comparable accuracy. Senior lawyers remain essential, but the entry-level legal pipeline is shrinking. Job number 10. Medical support technicians. Medical support technicians include imaging analysts, diagnostic assistants, data recording staff. Their work supports doctors and specialists. AI systems now analyze medical images, lab results, and patient data with extraordinary speed. According to research published in Nature Medicine, AI diagnostic systems match or exceed human accuracy in several imaging tasks. Doctors remain responsible for decisions, but many support roles are reduced. AI does not replace medicine, it replaces medical routine. Why the second wave is more dangerous. The first wave removed jobs quietly. The second wave removes career ladders. These professions traditionally worked like this: entry-level roles, mid-level experience, senior expertise. AI removes the bottom. When the bottom disappears, skills are not developed. Experience is not built, social mobility declines. This is not just a labor issue. It is a systemic risk. Technology evolves exponentially. Education systems evolve slowly. Workers are being replaced faster than they can be retrained. According to the World Economic Forum, over 50% of workers worldwide will require significant reskilling by the end of this decade. Without adaptation, inequality increases. What AI cannot replace. Yet, despite its power, AI struggles with moral responsibility, human trust, leadership under uncertainty, unstructured environments, true originality, jobs that combine technical skill, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment remain resilient, but they require higher-level skills. This is not a jobless future. AI does not eliminate work. It eliminates old forms of work. Human value shifts from execution to judgment, creativity, and coordination. Societies that prepare will adapt. Societies that delay will destabilize. The future of work is not decided by AI. It is decided by policy, education, and preparation. Artificial intelligence is not replacing people randomly. It follows logic. It follows data. It follows cost and scale. The first jobs to disappear are not the weakest. They are the most predictable. The real danger is not automation itself. It is failing to prepare people for what comes next. If you want to understand how technology is reshaping work, power, and society, subscribe to Technology and the Future. In the next episode, we will explore the jobs AI cannot replace and why human skills still matter.